I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux for stew. Roux is a fundamental thickening agent, essential for creating rich, flavorful stews and gravies. It's a simple mixture of fat and flour, cooked together to form a paste. Mastering this easy method will ensure your stews have a perfectly smooth, lump-free consistency every time, elevating your home cooking to a new level of deliciousness. Let's get started. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. The key to a great roux is using equal parts fat and all-purpose flour. For the fat, butter offers a rich flavor, while a neutral oil like vegetable or canola works perfectly too. Make sure to use a heavy-bottomed saucepan or skillet. This type of pan distributes heat evenly, which is crucial for preventing your roux from burning and ensuring a consistent cook. Now let's cook. Start by melting your chosen fat in the heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Next, gradually whisk in the all-purpose flour. It's important to add it slowly to prevent any lumps from forming. Continue to cook this mixture, stirring constantly with a whisk or wooden spoon. Keep stirring until your roux reaches the desired color, from a pale blonde for lighter stews to a rich brown for deeper flavors. Once your roux is the perfect color, it's time to incorporate it into your stew. Slowly add your liquid, whether it's broth or milk, to the roux while whisking continuously. This gradual addition and constant stirring will prevent lumps and ensure a smooth, creamy texture. Continue to cook the stew, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired consistency. For more great kitchen tips and other fantastic deals, check the description below. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a perfect addition to any home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.